Hi everyone, welcome to ITS workshop. In last video we have seen how to use comparable interface. Comparable interface was using compare to method for performing sorting. But what happens if we want to specify some other logic other than provided in compare to? What happens in that case? Since we can have only one version of compare to method, but we want to provide some different logic for comparison, like you want to compare with title or you want to compare with prices, so you need to provide those kind of conditions. So the solution for that, and there is another easy method, is comparator interface. So how comparator interface is used to sort a given collection any number of different ways. We can provide any other different logic. That is one way to use it, and other thing is we can use it to sort instances of any class. Even classes we cannot modify. So in last video we saw that we had to change our books class. Books was simple plain Java object class, but we had to change it, and our books class was implementing comparable interface. But in this case, when we are using comparator interface, we don't need to change and we don't need to perform any changes with our book class. We can just create different class and still we can perform sorting. So let us see how we do it. And comparator has got this compare method. So let us just check it. This is my test class, and still it's showing error for sorting. And this is my book class. So books class, I have just commented it compared to method, and I have removed comparable interface. Then I created another class named as comparing, and this comparing class has got this comparing class is simple class, and I just want to implement comparator interface. So you can say comparator, and then you can specify the type which it's supposed to compare. So in our case this is books now. Then it will give you some error that add unimplemented method. So I added unimplemented method which is compare. So just check the return type is still integer. It will return int. It means if it is negative, then the first object is less than the second object. It is passing two objects, O1 and O2. And if integer is 0, it means both objects are equal. If integer is some positive number like +1, it means book O1, the object O1 is greater than object O2. That's the simple logic which we have already discussed in our PPTs. So this is the same logic used by compare, and now we need to provide our logic for this. So I just want to compare using title again, then we'll see with other category. So return o1.get title dot then compare to, and then o2 dot get title. So the object first has got some title which is just a string. We are using the strings compared to method in order to compare it with object second's title or another string. So simply just one string is getting compared with another string, and since has already this compared to method, so we don't need to bother about it. So this is book class, and we don't need to change anything in book class. Just this third class can be used. Now let us come back to our test. So test has got array list and book list and 3 book object which we have given. I gave different title, book 66, book 12, book 33, and I'm just adding these objects to my collection. Now I'm printing out before sorting and I'm printing out after sorting. So let us see the another version of sort method. If you do collection.sort, you'll find that there are two sort versions. One sort is simply taking one array list like we saw in the previous video, and another sort method is taking list as well as the second parameter something comparator. So we have got something comparator, which is this class, object of this class. So let us create object of this class, comparing, and then cmp equals to new comparing. We have got object of comparing class. Then I can choose the sort method, the second one. So for second one I need to provide two arguments. First can be a book list, which is book list, and second parameter can be cmp, the class which is implementing comparator interface. That's it. Now that error is gone, and if I run this program, my test class, then it should give me sorted object. Now you can see the first line before sorting, book 66 and book 12 and book 33. You see book 33. Then in next line after sorting, book 12, book 33 and book 66. It means it is performing the sorting operation. So that's it. That's how it is done. And if you want to give any other logic, that can also be provided. And there is one more method which we can use. Let me show you. Suppose I want to sort these using their prices. Price is just simple integer, so I want to sort this according to the simple integer. So we can give some if else condition. So if book O1 dot get price is less than O2 dot get price, then we want to return something. So as we know that this condition means return -1, correct? And the second condition we can take else if sorry to come after this second condition, else if we need to compare again, and this time O1 dot get price if both are equal. Then as we know that if both are equal, then it means we can return 0. So I'll just say return 0. And we can give else return positive, return +1. Fine. So we can specify our conditions like this, and it is saved, and now it should sort according to price. So the price is varying from, it should, both should come same in this manner, 234 568 879. Let me run this program, Java application. Now you can see this is sorting according to price. So the before sorting and after sorting is coming same, because price is also in that order. First for 66, then for this, then for this, in increasing order. So this time it is sorting according to price. So this is very useful method, compare method, and very useful interface comparator. and we can change our logic, and we can provide any other logic for any classes. So this one CMP object can be used for different classes also. That's the one advantage. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks a lot.